Yo, what's going on, crew? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a case unboxing for this guy right here, which is the Oneplus N30. And so this thing, I'm not going to lie, it gets a lot of fingerprints on the back, which is, just fine as long as you have a case on the back of your smartphone. And so you can see right here, I'm just using a microfiber cloth to dust it off. And so everything looks fine now that I've dusted it off, but the moment you go ahead and touch it again, you do get some fingerprints. So one of the main ways to avoid that is to get a case for it. But we're going to do a case unboxing for the Oneplus Nord N30, so make sure you guys stay locked into the end of the video. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, So one thing I wanted to do was go ahead and talk about this case for a second and where I purchased it. And so basically you can get this case from Amazon, and I'll make sure I leave the cheapest link down below. So this is the case right here. It says clear case for the Oneplus Nord N30 5G hard PC back and soft TPU bumper, anti-yellowing, slim fit, full protective, shockproof transparent case cover for the Oneplus Nord, or the Oneplus N30. So you can see it right here, and it's going to give you 1.2 millimeters of screen protection, 1.2 millimeters of camera protection. It's also going to have the fingerprint recognition as well. And so these are just some of the things that actually attracted me to it, was the fact that it was clear. You could actually get the black borders, and the other thing is that you can get this coupon off when you at checkout. And so you can see it has right here the hole cuts, 360 protection, PC back, TPU sides, and ultra thin slim fit case. And so those are some of the main features. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. I actually have it right here in front of me. All right, so there's the case. I have it right here in front of me. Let's lock the smartphone. I just want to kind of wipe it down a couple of times before we actually put it on the case. And so it comes in this says protective case. No crazy branding. It's basically your generic case. So I just definitely recommend you pick one up if you want to actually keep your back cover looking transparent, so you can see the back of it, but also keep some protection on it. So this is the case right here, and nothing too crazy, right? Nothing too fancy. There's a little bit of dust on here still. That's all right, because this doesn't come with a screen protector or anything. But you can see right here, if I lock this in, it's pretty straightforward to get onto the phone. And you can see that 1.2 millimeter raised lip for the protection on the display, and then you have that 1.2 raised edge for the camera, and that's going to be really good. You also do get grippy sides. You can see the linear pattern right here. It's like very grippy but very sturdy. This case is really sturdy on the sides. The buttons feel extremely responsive on the volume end of it, and then they actually cut out the fingerprint on the side, so you get that side fingerprint cut out that you can easily unlock the device. You can see how it's a perfect indentation on here, and then all the cutouts on the bottom, so you're getting the bumpers on the sides, the speaker, the Type-C cutout, as well as a cutout right here for the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack and the microphone. And then you're getting those grippy sides like I mentioned. So all around really good protection. This SIM card thing is closed in, and the microphone cutout at the top is cut out, so you can actually get some really good audio from this thing. So this is going to add some protection to it, but also keep off those fingerprints from the back, while still being able to reserve the like the integrity of how it looks. It's just the fingerprints are gonna just show up on the case now and not the phone. So I just kind of wanted to throw that out there. But let me know what you guys think about this case for the OnePlus N30, and I'm gonna get right back with you. I'm gonna show up in the comment section answering any questions. Also, I'm gonna leave a link down below, but if you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just wanna remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. But hopefully you guys found this video helpful. I'll get right back with you. Later, crew. Peace.